Hey y'all, so L's hair is undone, getting ready to be washed. I will be using the Tresemme shampoo and the Tresemme conditioner. Now let's go ahead and get started with washing his hair. So I am going to be, saturating his hair with water. Again, I am using warm water, not too hot, not too cold, just right. Make sure that his hair is well saturated because he does have a lot of hair. So I try to, use some good time to just saturate his hair with water to prevent breakage. Now, once his hair has been saturated with water, I go ahead and start washing his hair. So I will get the shampoo and lots and lots of it and distribute the shampoo on his hair. It's going to take a while, guys, because his hair is very thick. So I will have to multiple times to, have the shampoo on my hands and transfer it to his hair. And yeah, so it's going to take a minute. Yeah, the video has been edited, but yeah, it took a minute. It took more than you see on this video. So I'll go ahead and wash his hair. Now I have the water running down on his hair. Again, it has a lot of shampoo, guys, so much. So I'm gonna have the warm water run through his hair, making sure that I cleanse the scalp plus the hair. Guys, I do wash the hair strands, guys. I don't just wash the hair scalp, but I do wash these strands because, again, the hair is dirty. I don't understand why people don't wash their hair strands. They kind of wash their scalp, but then your hair is dirty. So again, I do wash the hair strands, and that is what I'm doing right now. Yes, his hair is a lot, and it has grown so much. Again, school days, I just wash their hair once a month, and that is what works well for us. Now it's time to condition. I will be using the Tresemme conditioner, leave-in conditioner, to condition his hair. I will part his hair in 4. In each quadrant, I will apply the conditioner, distribute the conditioner evenly, and also detangle and make sure that the hair is saturated with the conditioner, because I want his hair to be well saturated with conditioner, because I'll be using a lot of conditioner, because it is going to take a month before doing their hair again. So I make sure that their hair is well prepared for the next few weeks or so. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like these. Now it's time to plait the hair. I already used the blue magic hair grease to seal the moisture. So I'm just gonna braid his hair, guys, and that's about it. Like y'all seen for the other previous video for the brother, I try to keep their hairstyles very simple because again, I don't want them to like suffer like while I'm trying to get the braids out and stuff like that. So I try to make it as simple as it is so they don't feel pain while it's time to undo the hair. So yes, so it's very basic, guys. A nice school hairstyle for boys. Yes, I do have boys, guys, and whenever y'all comment on my videos, do not think they are girls because they are not girls. They are boys. Yes, so hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and share this video, and I will see y'all on my next one. Thanks. Bye-bye. All right, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching till now. We are done. I got one more person to do, my youngest one, who is giving me a hard time right now, guys. It's not even funny, but we are done for another whole month. In between the weeks, I will maintain their hair and trying to like redo it, you understand, but not wash it. But yeah, redo it and recondition it and redo it. That's what I'm gonna do in between the month. But as for now, we are done. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye. Peace.